Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you a Cantonese specialty dish, scallion and ginger roasted chicken. It's even tastier than white cut chicken, bursting with aroma and incredibly satisfying. Prepare half of a young rooster. One whole chicken might not be enough for me, so I used half. Chop the chicken into small pieces, just like you see in the video. If the pieces are too big, they won't absorb the flavors well. If they're too small, they'll be hard to stir fry. Otherwise, the meat will turn out a bit dry and less palatable. After carefully cutting the chicken into appropriate pieces, gently put these pieces into a spacious bowl. Then, add a generous spoonful of fine salt, and pour in plenty of fresh, cool water to completely submerge them. Allow them to soak for a good 10 minutes to effectively draw out any residual blood. After this crucial soaking period, rinse the chicken thoroughly several times under running water until the water finally runs completely clear. Since we're using exceptionally fresh chicken, there's absolutely no need to blanch it beforehand. After rinsing, take the chicken out, drain the water, and squeeze out any excess moisture. Now let's marinate the chicken. Add some slices of ginger, a spoonful of salt, and a spoonful of cornstarch. Mix everything well by hand. Once it's evenly mixed, add a little peanut oil to lock in the moisture of the chicken. Then set it aside to marinate for 10 minutes. Prepare 20 grams of fresh ginger and slice it. Once sliced, place the ginger in a dish. Next, prepare a handful of scallions and cut them into sections, separating the white and green parts. Add an appropriate amount of oil to the pan and heat it up. Once the oil is hot, add the ginger slices and stir-fry them over low heat until fragrant. Sauté the ginger until the surface turns slightly golden. Then add the chicken. Stir-fry the chicken until the moisture evaporates and it becomes aromatic. Keep stir-frying like this without adding any water, and cook the chicken until it's done. This way, the chicken will be more fragrant. Stir-fry the chicken until the surface turns slightly golden. Then add the white part of the scallions and stir-fry evenly until you can smell the aroma of the scallions. Next, add an appropriate amount of light soy sauce, a little oyster sauce, and a spoonful of sugar to enhance the flavor. Stir-fry evenly until fragrant, then add a suitable amount of strong white liquor. Cover with a lid and simmer on low heat for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, continue to stir-fry evenly. Then add the green part of the scallions and stir-fry until fragrant, and that's it. It's ready to be served and plated. A Cantonese ginger scallion stir-fried chicken ready. This dish rich in scallion aroma, with crispy skin and tender, flavorful meat. It's super tasty, goes with rice. Method simple. If you like it, save recipe, and give it a try. Go ahead.